Blooms! What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. And yeah, I'm super excited. We're going to be checking out Beanie having an interview. They talk about their trainee days and um, future and all that other stuff. But it's the Star Magic Celebrity Conversations. I am not 100% sure I even said all that correctly. But I am excited. I cannot wait to check it out. So yeah, you know what to do. Go show Beanie all the love. Show them nothing but love because they deserve it 100%. Let's go to jump right into it. Come along for the ride. I like the little. Hey, I like the little.
Beanie. Okay, sino magkikwento ng journey nyo? Maikling-maikli.
Go, Jojo.
Hold on. Am I able to make this a little bigger? Can I move it? Question. No.
Oh,
Okay.
Joanna,
Sure.
may leader.
Our
Saan
leader.
po ba tayo magsisimula, direct?
Saan mo gusto magsimula?
Galing po kami sa iba't ibang mga probinsya po, ganun. And sumubok lang talaga mag-audition. Tapos meron po dito, nag-audition po sila sa Araneta. Si Stacey and Ate Maloy po yung nag-audition sa Araneta. Tapos kami po sa mga provinces na po namin. Tapos, akala po naming lahat, pag nabigyan ka na ng star ni Direk, pasok ka na, artista ka na. Hindi pala.
Ang dami pa palang stars
Hindi
na
pa pala
binigyan.
Hindi pa pala yun. Tapos, ayun po, dumaan po kami sa madaming callbacks. Tapos, wala po kaming idea kung para saan po ba talaga yung bawat callbacks. Kasi wala pong sinasabi talaga. Halimbawa, okay, punta kayo sa ganito, sa venue na to, magdala lang kayo ng tumbler, magdala lang kayo ng ganun, sarili nyo. Pero wala sabihin kung for girl group ba, for wala po talaga. Nung bootcamp na po, ay eto po yan, 5 araw na parang 1 taon po sa amin. Kasi nung
I could feel
bootcamp,
that. I could feel that. I could
manginginig ka po talaga sa ano, pag may pagdadating si Direk, ay, papasok po yan.
Nakataksido yan si Direk. Tatahimik talaga
Naka-
lahat.
Nakapolo.
Kailan ako nagtuksido?
Naka-clear si Derek. Naka-t-shirt lang tsaka jacket si Derek.
Tapos papasok po siya. Tapos kami, syempre, ako po talaga that time nung nasa studio, may hawak po ako na Maria Magdalena pong maliit talaga.
Ako po nag-rosary ako sa gilid.
Nakakatakot kasi parang okay. Tapos magbibigay po siya ng mga folder, hindi mo
Like, I could only imagine. Again, like, I could only imagine the nerves and the kind of like the feeling you get when you go and do something like this, when you go to an audition, when you go and things like see, I don't know if I could do it. I sit there and think in my head, I think, and I'm like, I think I could do this. I think I could do this. But even just sitting, like, doing an interview like this, I don't know if I could even do that.
Ginawa niyo kong halimaw, ano? Meron kayong mga...
Nakakatakot po talaga.
Bringing out the charms of the
Excited po ako,
rosaries.
Derek,
No.
pag
Ako
dumating
mingi.
ka.
Tapos yung folder na hiniwala, hindi mo sure kung tanggal ba yun or pasok.
Totoo yun. At that time, di namin alam kung ano yung binubuo namin. But yung grand audition namin nun, ginusto namin kung sino yung galing kumanta, sumayaw, sino from PBB. So, it was a grand audition para lang malaman namin yung potential. But really at that time, it was already a process para mapili namin sino talaga yung determinado. Kasi alam nyo naman, hindi madali yung gagawin nyo. Hindi madali yung pinagdaanan nyo. At kung wala kayong sense of determination, hindi ka tatagal. Ano yung natutunan nyo sa 2 years na training bago kayo na-launch? Colette?
Ooh.
Ang natutunan ko po sa loob po ng 2 years, Direk. Kasi yun nga po, di ba, nung bootcamp po, talagang nahilo po ako dun sa workout.
Ilang beses ka nung
Opo.
nasa clinic.
So,
No.
ayun, feeling ko po, yung...
I'm sorry. Colette's little laugh, like her little.
So, ayun po, feeling ko po,
Oh, man,
yung
that's crazy though.
determination po talaga na, hindi, gusto ko po talaga
Right.
maging idol po, direct, gusto ko po mag-perform. Yun po yung nag-push
Right,
po sa
right,
akin
right.
kahit sobrang nakakapagod na po yung training, parang mag-iiyakan na lang po kami every night, direct. Pero
Oh.
yung determination po talaga namin na kailangan namin ma-debut, gusto namin yung ginagawa namin.
Hold
Yun
on,
po
I
yung
need to go back and
nagpupush.
see what she-
Mag-iiyakan na lang. Idol po, direct, gusto
Right.
ko po mag-perform. yun po yung nag-push
That's
po
what
sa akin
pushed
kahit
me, even
sobrang
though I was training,
nakakapagod
was
na po yung
exhausted, that I
training.
felt like
Parang mag-iiyakan
cry
na lang
every
po kami.
night.
Every night, direct. Pero yung determination po talaga namin na kailangan namin ma-debut, gusto namin yung ginagawa namin, yun po yung nagpo-push.
What was the most memorable experience nyo during your training
Ooh.
days?
Yung Korean training, aware po kami
Okay.
na may Korean training kaming pagdadaanan, pero di po kami aware na kinabukasan na po siya kaagad. Ganun po. Super, in-announce po na, girls, ito kayo. Sumasok na po yung mga Korean coaches. So, super memorable po niya kasi doon po kami na-challenge, hindi lang physically. Actually, more on mentally po kaming na-challenge sa Korean kasi syempre, nag-training na rin naman kami beforehand ng Korean training. So, may alam na kami sa dance, sa singing. Pero syempre, iba sila magturo. Super straightforward sila. And laging merong evaluation every end of the month. So,
Damn it,
kung
man!
nakadagdag
Why
ka
are
ba?
you crying?
So,
No!
super
No!
grabing journey po yung Korean training. And oh my God, the food! Super excited pa naman po kami sa week na yon sa pagkain. Kasi parang like chicken wings,
Oh,
champurado.
chocolate rice porridge.
Kasi
Okay.
binibigay po yung schedule ng
Wait,
pagkain sa buong week. Na-cancel po.
Champorado. Chocolate rice porridge. Hey. Oh, hold on.
Like chicken wings,
Hold on.
champurado. Kasi binibigay po yung schedule ng pagkain sa buong week.
It got
Na-cancel po yun. Naging saba at
Naging saba
itlog.
at itlog po.
Ayun po.
Diyos.
Super memorable po, grabe.
Tsaka kasi po, gutom ka
I
eh.
still
So parang
remember
naapektuhan po yung utak nyo na
saving
parang
the eggs.
lulungkot ka na din. May crackers po kasi nun siya. May crackers po nun si Ate Angela po na yun po. Yung green siya. Tapos, nandun, mga 12 pa tayo, di ba? 12 po kami noon. Then, pinaghatian po namin yung isang crackers na po yun. Para po lang may panlamanan dyan. Tapos, nanonood tayo ng mukbang habang kumakain po ng saba at
Oh,
itlog.
no!
Para lang, oh my God, ang sarap nito. Ang sarap ng kinakain namin kahit hindi na.
Tandaan nyo ba nung kinausap tayo ni Direk sa office niya dahil sa cookies?
Mga pinupuslit na mga
Nung kinausap tayo ni Direk sa
Yeah,
office niya dahil sa
because of the
cookies.
cookies.
mga
Memorable
pinupuslit na mga
Direk.
Uy, Direk, kasama po namin yung boys dito, hindi lang po girls.
Medyo ayaw po yung mastermind.
BGY mastermind.
So ano natutunan nyo naman? Yung hirap na dinaanan yun, ano yung nakuha nyo? Ano yung take away nyo dun sa...
Okay.
So yun, yung kala nyo
Being
ginugutom
starved for the
kayo,
strict
kala
diet,
nyo
what did you
yung
learn?
useless, ano ba ang learnings nyo dun?
See, recently, I have been struggling with my diet. I have been struggling with it. It just, it's like a mental thing, right? Like when you eat, listen, I don't ever want to eat cauliflower rice ever again, right? Like I don't care what they say about cauliflower rice being like, oh, it's just like eating rice. The hell it is. I'm going to tell you this right now. For the last year, I have had cauliflower rice, right? While everyone else is eating regular rice. Okay. And it's not the same. I'm telling you that right now. It is not the same. Okay. And it's just, yeah. So I've been struggling. So I feel this right
Siyempre
here.
may learning po kaming bini dyan. Sa lahat, yung journey po namin sa Korean training, sa Filipino training po is yung kahit sobrang hirap na hirap kami, parang iniisip na lang namin yung mindset. Dapat palitan talaga namin yung mindset namin. Palitan namin na maging positive para mas maging malakas kami. And yun po, ganun po kami ngayon.
Mas tumibay po kami ngayon po. Mentally, as a group po talaga.
Okay.
Tsaka yung that shared experience, di ba? Yun lang naman yung ano nyo, na pareho kayong pinagdaanan ng hirap, pareho kayo na pinagdaanan ng gutom, di ba? Pareho kayo na kinakain, di ba? Crackers lang at saka saba lang, happy na kayo, di ba? That's the delayed gratification. Pero pag grabe na din kayo, pag nagko-Korean mukbang kayo ngayon, sobra rin naman kayo kumain, di ba? Walang, parang bumabawi rin naman kayo. I think yung training and yung wisdom nung magkakasama kayo,
Okay.
because doon lang kayo magkakaroon ng galaw na kahit konting lang laramdam yung isa't isa eh. Totoo ba? Ganun ba? How do you explain? Baka yun ang kailangan ng pag-usap. How do you explain na sobra kayong sabay-sabay sa paggalaw?
Ooh.
Actually, kahit kung mag-greet po kami, minsan po, okay girls, pulso-pulsuhan na lang po pag hingahan namin, ganun po. Tapos alam na namin.
First
Yung
off,
mga speed.
can we talk about just how stunning Like, oh my gosh. Like, I've been sitting here, like, Joanna's hair, then I see Aya, and then I see Colette, I see Malloy, Sheena, Stacy, Gwen's, Jack, like, Meek, like, man. They look absolutely stunning. Always do, by the way, but.
Feels po namin parang may gaganon lang po direct. Mabuhay, gano'n.
Tapos halimbawa po, meron pong, halimbawa, aalis po kami. Wala po kaming sinabing theme po ng color na susuotin namin. Pero pagbaba po namin sa baba, pare-pareho po kami.
So, yung
I do
utak
need to
niya,
start.
na parang
I need to go get
napoprogram
back
na
on the
siya na
Beanie Adventures.
magkakapareho kayo. Okay, pero kahit halos pare-pareho kayo, meron pa rin naman kayong pagkakaiba-iba. O, so anong pagkakaiba-iba ninyo?
Ooh, what are the
Kung saan
differences?
tayo nanggaling, yung
Right.
mga culture, kung saan tayo nanggaling, what makes us us din is aside sa training na ginagawa natin, may iba tayong ginagawa, like yung mga hobbies.
Right.
Yun yung mga nagpapadistinct din sa atin. Like, ako, I mean, to art, si Gwenny, nag-makeup. Basta like yung mga ganun
Hold
na
on,
bagay.
hold on,
Kaya
hold on.
si Gwenny, ako, I mean, to art, si Gwenny, nagpapadistinct din sa atin. Like, ako, I mean, to art, si Gwenny, nag-makeup. Basta like yung mga ganun na bagay.
Kaya po siya, tinuruan, kaya po siya, nagpipainting po kami dahil sa
okay.
kanya. Kasi yun yung ambag niya po. Kasi siya lang po yung mahilig talaga sa, alam niyo, arts talaga.
Minsan video okay. Mag-video okay na isa, video okay na lahat. Wow!
Mag-workout to si Ayaw, mag-workout na din.
Din kami. Ganun.
Anong alam mo tungkol sa pinakakatabi mo? Na talagang special.
Ang kay Ate Maloy po, yung sobrang matulungin po talaga ni Ate Maloy. Like, kunwari, kapag nagbibihis po kami, tapos kapag may hindi ko matali, tapos si Ate Maloy po yung magtatali.
I had a friend like that when I was in junior high and high school. You know, when you get to that moment where you have to change for PE and stuff like that, right? And at the time, I was a little embarrassed, right? Because for me to change and to do that stuff, I would have to take my prosthetic leg off, and then I would have to like untie my shoes. And so it got to a point where I would have to untie my shoe, take my leg off, you know, put my like sweatpants on or my gym pants on, you know, things like that. Then I'd have to put them on the leg first, and then I'd have to put the shoe on the leg. And then it was really hard for me to tie the shoes, right? So a lot of the times I would leave my shoes tied and then just kind of like force the left shoe on my left leg. But I had a friend who one day saw me struggling, right? And he was like, "Yo, when you get dressed and you're done, call me over, and and I'm telling you, all of junior high and like majority of high school, because somehow we always had the same PE class. He literally tied my shoes for me every gym period. And then then, you know, of course, when I got into high school, I didn't have gym, you know, the last like 2 years of high school. But yeah, so really, you know, like, but it was the reason why I brought that story up was because Malloy will tie, you know, and stuff like that.
Magsusuklay ng buhok, pupunas ng pawis, tagadala ng snacks. Tsaka siya po yung nagbibitbit ng snacks po namin kapag
Our
lalabas
snacks,
po. Kasi
eh!
magugutom po kami kapag siya po yung tagabigay. Oh,
May snack ka.
dahil dyan may snack ka. Kay Sheena.
And hype enthusiast.
Si Sheena po talaga yung pinaka-strong po talaga na nakilala ko. As in. Hindi. As in, pag tinitingnan talaga kita.
Bubuhat.
Yun. Iyak na din siya. Basta si Sheena po yung pinaka-strong na.
Emotionally
Taong
strong.
nahigin.
Damn
Hindi
it!
sa workout po.
Kay Colette.
Sabi niya po sa akin, bigyan mo ako lang sasabihin. Wala po siyang alam.
Alam ko.
Give me something to say.
Alam ko, nag-aayos ng laundry si Ate Colette one day after mabigay. Abali, di ba Monday, aakyat niya. Doon lang yung buong gabi. Tapos Tuesday siya kikilos. Ganun
Kasi tayo magsabay eh. Kasi masikip.
Kasi bawal kayo magsabay
Ayun,
mag-ayos.
akit na po siya, maliligaw na siya. Pagdating niya, nakaupo pa rin ako. Hindi ko pa rin tapos.
Ayun po,
Si Ate Aya po, ano po, sobrang strong niya din po. Hindi po siya masyadong nag-share po sa amin, pero na-feel po namin siya. Parang connection talaga namin lahat. Oh, ito.
Pag sad girl siya.
Pag sad girl, pag may era po siyang sad girl siya, ano po, binabagyan po namin siya ng space and sino-surprise po namin siya sa 3rd floor po. Nagpa-party po kami
Yan ang paparupok ng puso niya. Si Joanna, ang strong niya po, mentally and physically. Nakita naman. Si Joanna, ano siya, kung sa grupo siya yung clown.
Bags, the clown.
Hindi, yung funny person, like, laging nagjo-joke. Pero may side din talaga siya.
I still remember one of my first ever just kind of like experiences with Beanie outside of like the music videos, right? And it was, I can't remember what compilation it was or what video it was, but it was like literally one of the first ones. It was like funny moments or something like that. And it was lit, and it forever is gonna live in my head because it was just one of the funniest, but it was like one of the realest moments too. And it was with Joanna, and they were doing like some dance, and it was the foot, like the feet, where she shows her dirty feet, you know, and she's like, you know, and that was one of the first, and I was just like, oh my gosh, they are, you know, like true to themselves, like, you know, you guys get what I'm saying? Like
seryoso talaga and sobrang mature.
I need to go back.
And
hold on, huh? I need to go back.
joke. Pero may side din talaga siya na
She's
pag
really serious, and when
seryoso
she's-
talaga and sobrang mature. And kahit hindi, minsan may mga times na natutulala na lang ako. Kasi minsan iniisip ko na grabe na kahit hindi ikaw yung eldest, pero ang mature mo mag-isip. Parang gano'n na
No more tears. We can't have any more tears. I can't make it through.
Kasi
Siya
ang mature mo
mag-desisyon.
nga,
Dinaya niya
I
yung
can't
birth
make it through.
certificate niya, actually.
Okay, let's move on.
Let's move
Si
on.
Mika po, kahit bigyan niyo po siya ng halimbawa po, kasi siya po yung pinakahuling bumabangon po talaga sa amin. Pero siya po yung pinakamabilis kumilos. Kahit
1 minute kaya maligo niyan.
ang bilis po talaga maligo. Minsan Mika, tapos ka na maligo. Tapos siya yung pinakahuling gigising, pero siya yung pinakaunang nasa baba, naka-makeup na, made up na. Yes. And
mag-makeup
she's our silent angel. Ay, tama naman, di ba?
Generous si Mika. So,
Yes. Naku, direct strong yan, pero...
The softie.
Direct nagtampo yan sa amin kasi hindi namin siya sinamahan manood nung ano.
Actually, direct, ilang beses na ako nagtatampo sa kanila kaso wala talaga silang alam.
Several times.
Nung concert po kasi ng TXT po yun, fan na fan po siya ng TXT, wala pong nakasama po sa kanya that time. Ano bang ginawa natin?
Kasi kakatapos ng training nun, tapos pagod lahat.
Hindi, walang ganap, guys.
Naalala ko ng mga nagsisimula, bago pa kayo mag-final 8, you know, kasi bunso naman to si one of the youngest in si Mika. She had a hard time adjusting to the group. So I'm very proud of how you've grown into such a... Kinikimkim
Don't cry, damn it!
Kinikimkim niya yung sama ng loob niya.
Hold on. I gotta read this. She kept her feelings aside because she didn't want to create the feelings of tension, but of course, she would have appreciated if you all had...
Because she doesn't want to create that, you know, that feeling na merong pagtatampuhan. Pero, of course, appreciate niya siguro kung nasamahan niyo siya sa kanyang TXT. But Mika, talagang laki na ng miniature mo. From the days, nakausap ko magulang mo at kausap kita, di ba, in my office. She's really mature, and to her credit, di ba, sobrang proud kami sa growth mo, Mika. At ikaw ngayon ang unang pa nag-aartista na solo. How do you feel about that, Mika, na yung growth mo sa grupo? What is the biggest adjustment you did?
Dang
Siguro
it!
tinanggap ko
See,
na lang po
I
yung
always
mga
have to have
bagay
it-
na
I always
hindi ko
have a
kaya
tissue.
i-control.
Ah,
Yun po. Tinanggap ko rin
Kasi
yung
controlling.
sarili ko.
Masyado
Right.
siyang masyado ka at that time,
Masyado
di
po
ba?
akong,
right.
ano
See,
lang po na yun.
that's one thing also, like, I gotta stop worrying about the things I can't control. That is something that I have to learn going into the end of this year. Those are some things that I have to learn, that there are going to be times, a lot of times, majority of the time, that I can't control outcomes of certain things, and that's what I need to be and accept.
Siguro tinanggap ko na lang po yung mga bagay na di ko kayang i-control. Yun po. Tinanggap ko rin
Kasi
yung
controlling.
sarili ko.
Masyado siyang masyado ka at that time.
Masyado ko, nung time na yun parang gusto ko okay lahat, gano'n. Pero
Yes,
ngayon,
okay.
chill na.
Ganda niyo
Chill
umiyak,
na.
Bill.
Artista talaga, no? Mga talaga to.
Nakapag-let go ka na of your control.
Umiyak, Bill.
Looks
Artista
gorgeous
talaga,
when she
no?
cries. She
Talaga
really
to
is an actress. I
Nakapag-let
love
go ka
it.
na of your controlling. Meron siyang ganun gusto niya, kailangan makontrol niya, kailangan everything should be perfect. But nag-relax ng konti. In a group talaga, you need to learn how to adjust. So in fairness to her.
Good job, Mika.
Good job, Meeks.
You deserve
So ngayon alam nyo, marami siyang sama ng loob. Kakasabi.
Naramdaman ko po yun.
Hindi, dati lang yun pero ngayon.
Okay.
Medyo ano lang po yun.
Ngayon, dumagdag
Nilipat ko lahat kay Joanna. Joke.
Okay, so, Mika?
Oh, I felt that. I felt that 100%. I felt that 100%.
Ngayon, dumagdag
Nilipat ko lahat kay Joanna. Joke.
Okay, so, Mika?
Oh, these two.
Si Gwen. Actually, si Gwen for me, feeling ko si Gwen yung unang
They're gonna cry.
unang nakaintindi sa akin. Yeah. Hindi kasi kami ni Gwen nung time na yon, pareho kaming hindi magaling sumayaw. Pareho kami nag-start ng ganun, pareho kaming nag-uusap lang, nag-joke lang. Tapos napansin ko rin kay Gwen na she's a very sensitive person but in a good way. Parang napapansin mo yung mga bagay
Feels others.
nafe-feel mo yung
Empathetic,
ibang
yep.
emotions.
Empathetic si Gwenny.
Oh, so you look at
Ayun lang, observant naman ako. Nakikita ko naman sa'yo na you're doing your best all the time. Nakikita kong gusto niya rin mag-improve
these
sa
two.
sarili niya. And she's trying to be more understanding also. And I can see that.
Alam ko
si
na sasabihin niya.
Stako.
Overthinker. Stako. Ay, direct. Kay direct siya. Wag na, be okay na. Hindi kay Stako.
Kaya pag nakatingin kay Direk,
Ang hirap naman tumingin kay Stako. Hindi ako lalapit.
No, I'm dying. Oh, I need to.
Ay, direct. Kay direct siya. Wag na, be okay na. Hindi kay Stako.
kaya pag nakatingin kay Direk,
Ang hirap naman tumingin kay Stako.
It's hard to look at it. Oh no. Yep, there we go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Kay Stako. Praning. Siya po yung praning ng grupo. Malagyan lang po ng, pag naliligo po siya, malagyan ng sabon yung mata niya. Isa-search niya na sa Google ano mangyayari. Di cancer ang lumabas.
Yeah.
Seryoso po yun, Direk. Kasing ganun po siya kapraning talaga sa buhay. Pero si Stacy,
Adorable.
siya yung isa sa, number one, hindi naman, isa sa mga nagbibigay kulay sa bahay namin.
Sa bahay ni Kuya.
Tapos, yung tawa niya, naka-whistle. Siya po yung, yung tawa niya, may kasamang whistle. Solid po talaga. Kaya siya yung, whistle queen dito sa amin. Whistle queen. Kasi
The
kahit
whistle
yung tawa niya
queen.
may whistle eh. Ikaw din, di ba? Tsaka si Sheena po, marunong sila mag-whistle, sa totoo lang.
Sarap yung marinig. Dahil alam nyo isa't isa. We're very lucky, very proud na
Yes.
nahanap namin kayo.
Oh,
Okay.
Dad. Oh, don't you're gonna make us all cry.
Baka naman ako maiyakan. But it's really para akong may anak sa inyo na I'm very, very, very honored to
I'm just saying right now, if he starts crying, if Derek Lawrence starts crying, I'm not making it through this. I'm not making it through
found
this.
you talaga. Akalain nyo bang kayo magkakasama-sama? Well, it's not it's no joke. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yun. It's destiny na magkakasama kayo. So I hope you cherish that that sisterhood and that friendship. And everything that you're going through, you've become really better people.
Oh.
Basta ako, hindi ko lang matatawa ako sa'yo.
Yung ko halata kasi I'm mysterious.
I'm mysterious. I'm mysterious.
Seryosa. So ano ang goal ng Beanie ngayon? Sinong mga umiiyak dyan?
Siyempre, Direk Q, lagi po namin sinasabi, gusto po namin, hindi lang kami basta nagre-release ng song po, siyempre, gusto namin, makilala talaga kami, alam mo yun, hindi lang basta-basta girl group na naging household name ang Beanie
Well,
po.
they're a
More
household
songs
name
po
here.
and makalibot po talaga sa iba't ibang lugar po dito sa Philippines at para mapakilala po yung BNN sa iba't ibang bansa po.
Basta walang susuko sa inyo, ha? At together, susuka. Pero walang susuko. Tandaan nyo, talaga namang wala naman nakakamit ng madalian. Lahat talaga pinaghihirapan. Para
Damn it.
when you get what you're aspiring for, alam nyong pinaghirapan nyo. yun.
Facts. Dang it.
But I must
Dang
say,
it.
as early
See. So, man. They're hitting me with these, man. I swear, I sit here and I just learned so much.
BNN
I get
sa
so
iba't ibang
inspired,
bansa po.
you know?
basta walang susuko sa inyo,
Listening.
ha? At together, susuka. Pero walang susuko. Tandaan nyo,
It's
talaga
right
namang
here.
wala naman nakakamit ng madalian. Lahat talaga pinaghihirapan. Para when you get what you're aspiring for, alam nyong pinaghirapan nyo yun. But I must say, as early as now, dami nyong nai-influence ng mga kabataan who feel that importante yung training, importante yung disiplina. So congratulations because you may not be household names, you feel hindi pa kayo talaga household names, marami pa rin kayong napapasaya at marami kayong na-influence. All the blooms na nakikita ko pag naano ko sila, just like after the concert, talaga naghanda sila, coming from different parts of sila pa lang, isang tao lang, diba? Isang tao lang na naniniwala at napapasaya nyo, sulit na yung hirap na pinagdaanan nyo. One child that you inspire to be a better girl, to be a better person, diba? May kontribusyon na kayo. Sobra na
Damn
laki
it.
ng kontribusyon nyo. Yun ang tatandaan nyo. More than yourselves, it's really the joy that you will give and the inspiration that you will give to other people. And you've done that. Okay? But you will still influence a lot more.
Ay.
Okay? So, sino
crying more than they are.
Anong
I'm crying more than they are.
importance o ano ang tatak Star Magic?
Feeling ko po yung, katulad po sabi ni Jo, yung attitude po and yung mindset po talaga namin na na gawin po talaga yung best namin every performances po and yung parang tatak Star Magic, parang yun po kasi magga-guide po sa amin para mas maging better pong mga tao and maging better performers po, maging mabuting anak, mabuting kapwa po sa ibang tao and ayun po yung parang mag-a-align po sa amin para ayun po, mas maging better po kami. Di ba, Jo?
Yeah, and feeling ko din po, consistency po. Sabi po, tumatak talaga po to sa amin nung sinabi po to ni Coach Mickey last week na parang creating a standard po, madali lang po gawin, pero maintaining it, yun po yung mahirap.
And exceeding that standard.
Yes
Diba?
po.
Hindi pwedeng maintain lang. Kailangan nyo exceed yun. Hindi pwedeng kontento na tayo sa ganito. Kailangan parang Olympics, diba? Laging breaking the world record. Yun ang ina-achieve nyo. So, but I'm very confident magagawa nyo yun. Okay? And I'm very, very
Come on,
proud of
Joe.
all of
Come
you.
on, Joe. We gotta
Okay,
we gotta stay strong.
Tagal na natin. Hindi niya kasama ang BGYO this time. Ha? So, ano lang. Pagbalik nila, wala na silang bahay. Anyway, congratulations, Beanie.
Yay!
And more years of excellence and more years of giving inspiration. Okay?
Thank you po!
Welcome po.
Nah, that was a wonderful little interview. Like, oh my gosh, man. That interview was wonderful. I really enjoyed it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I really have to, man, I gotta step it up. I gotta end the year strong. But no, it's been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful year. I've enjoyed so many new experiences and new things, all because of, again, like I said, reading a couple comments on that I needed to check out a group, and it was one of the best things that I have ever decided to do. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Again, most importantly, make sure you go show Beanie all the love. Show them nothing but love because they deserve it 100%. Okay. And yeah, y'all have a wonderful rest of the day. Please be safe. Have a wonderful rest of your year. I'm excited for what's to come. And yeah, y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.